Hello, my name is Anna. Welcome to another English lesson. This is your second specific listening lesson. Let's get started. Just right from here immediately. First, let's look at some vocabulary words. Second, so second goes after the first. February. This is the second month of the year. It comes after January. Tuesday. This is the third day of the week. It comes after Monday. Pupil. So pupil is a student when it's just the primary school. Sometimes people call these people pupils. But they're basically students. And students is a more common word for denoting this. Then every. Every is like all. And each. So every second. For example, Jim smiles every minute. It means that there is a minute, Jim smiles. The next minute comes, Jim smiles again. The next minute comes, Jim smiles again. And so every minute of the day, Jim smiles. Every. So you can count this, and it's every. Just some part of the individual. Then teacher. Teacher is a profession. This person tells other people how to do certain things because they are experts in the field. And after this explanation, people are able to do this or are able to understand this or just know the information. Teacher helps people learn new skills and get new knowledge. And here's the word know. Know is be aware of something, be informed about something. Mark, let's grade. Mark, this is grade. So you can even see that it's grade. So this is how the students see their progress. With the help of marks, teacher gives students grades or marks from A to F or from 5 to 1, or there can be other systems of evaluation. But you understand that this is how the students perform, how they progress with their skills and with their knowledge. And so here we go. Give grades. This is to evaluate. Then this is a red mistake. So mistake, this is when something is done not right. Something's not right. This is a mistake. You did something not in the correct way. And when that happens, the person make mistakes. And of course, after making mistakes, it's good to correct the mistakes. This is when it becomes right. Then dictation. So dictation is one type of an assignment at school when you study. So the teacher reads certain text. They do it very slowly, and students put the words down. So they reproduce this text themselves. They can type or they can write, just in the way their task goes. And so when you type something that is said by a different person, and if it's done on purpose, like a practice task, this is a dictation. Lot. Lot, this is many or much. So huge amount. So there can be a lot of mistakes, for example. And so what this means? This means that there's a lot to be improved. A lot to be improved. But we also can say few. Few is not much, not many. And so we can say, for example, just let me put it like this. Oh, just a little bit. Here we go. So this would mean just a few mistakes. So what would this mean? This would mean that the thing is almost correct. And let me even add here. Let me even add not so much. Oh, to be improved. So this is few, not many. But if we say a few, this is going to mean a different thing. This is going to mean several. So few is not many. A few is several. Now a line let me just take it here. So a line is just right here. So how we write the text consists of lines. So this is the line, this is the next line, this is the fourth line, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, and so on and so forth. So these are lines. When something goes from the beginning up to the end, so from here just up to here, this is the line, basically. That's what it is. Now, the next word is difficult. So difficult is not easy, not simple. So this is with lots of details, and when you cannot just go and do it, you need some effort to do or understand something or to learn something. You need some extra effort to perform something in this or that way. So if it's like that, it means that this thing is difficult. Now next, think. So think, this is the mental process. Think. Think is when you have certain thoughts, certain ideas. So when you have ideas, analyze these ideas. This means that you think. Then get. So get it's when you don't have something and then something, somebody, for example, gives you that, and so now you have it. So this is how you get it. And today. So today is just like this day. When this is happening, this is today. So this is our vocabulary. So the vocabulary is really simple. And now we are ready to read our text. So you are ready to listen. Now it's from James' point of view. You are our teacher. You live far from our school. Mrs. Woodland is our teacher too. She gives us French lessons. She speaks French very well. When we know our lessons well, Mrs. Woodland gives us good grades. I've got a 5 for my French dictation. Sam has got a 2. He always makes many mistakes in his dictations. Sometimes he makes 10 mistakes, sometimes 15 mistakes in one dictation, though he reads a lot. He makes 2 or 3 mistakes in every line. This dictation is very long. There are 22 lines in it. Some will make a lot of mistakes. I'll make a few mistakes too. There are many difficult words in our dictation. I think that Sam will get a 2. I think I'll get a 3 today. So, now question for you. Does the boy really have a good character? How he speaks about his friend, right? But also how he speaks about himself. On the one hand, it seems like he is of a good opinion of himself. But on the other hand, what he said at the end, I think I'll get a 3 today. What does this mean? That his opinion about himself is not so good, that he really wants to improve. And so why does he criticize his friend? Because he is too critical? Or that this only means that he loves improvement and development? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm going to see you in the next lesson.